Came across a PW2 file from older specialized software and need to access the content? This is a document file from a NUSH application requiring specific software to open. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you work with these Pathway 2 document files. Don't worry if the first steps fail. I have a guaranteed nuclear option recovery process for the PW2 format, but we'll attack the top issues first. PW2. Files are document files associated with various specialized applications, potentially including Pathway language editing software, Professional Write Plus word processor, or other niche applications. The exact format depends on which application created the file, as multiple software titles use the PW2 extension across different domains. PW2. Document files use application-specific formats that may include proprietary text encoding, embedded formatting metadata, and document structure information. Without knowing the source application, the format cannot be determined definitively, requiring identification through file analysis or context examination of the source environment. Your primary troubleshooting tool for PW2 should be the specialized LibreOffice Writer by the Document Foundation. To access all data streams, audio, video, subtitles, a dedicated media container handler is required. Windows may provide a preview pane, but proper editing requires the intended document application. Your first step in unlocking the file, right-click the PW2 file and select Open With. Prioritize LibreOffice Writer if you see it. If not, select another program. A systematic approach is best here. If the PW2 file is still refusing to open, it's expected. The failure of the file is predictable. Here are the most common technical reasons this specific PW2 error occurs on most Windows systems. First, identifying the source. Examine the folder location and any accompanying files to determine which application created the PW2 file. Common sources include linguistic analysis, software, business document applications, or specialized industry tools. The surrounding files often reveal which software ecosystem the PW2 file belongs to. Next, trying compatible software. If the PW2 file is from Professional Write Plus, try opening it in modern word processors like LibreOffice Writer or Microsoft Word using their import features. For Pathway linguistic software, install the SIL Pathway application. Application-specific PW2 files require the originating software for proper interpretation and viewing. Finally, examining as text. Open the PW2 file in a text editor like Notepad+ to inspect for readable content. Many document files contain text alongside binary formatting data, allowing partial content recovery, even without the original application. Copy readable text portions to modern document formats for preservation of the textual content. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.